want you to meet Private Desmond Doss. Apparently, Private Doss does not believe in violence. He does not practice violence. He will not even deign to touch a weapon.
I got the energy and the passion to serve as a medic. Right in the middle with the other guys, no less danger, just while everybody else is taking life, I'm gonna be saving it. It isn't right that other men should fight and die, that I would just be sitting at home safe. I need to serve.
What the hell is your delay, Captain? You were supposed to begin that assault 10 minutes ago.
We're waiting, sir.
Waiting for what?
For Private Doss to finish praying for us, sir.
One more. Help me get one more.